Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a little bit different video for you. Today is my first annual Scrappers Detailing Year in Review Award show. I've come up with 7 different awards. Now, some of the awards might be considered legitimate awards, and some of them might be considered nonsense awards. But as you'll see, every award that I've given today fits the vehicle perfectly. So without further ado, let's get into the first award. The first award is for the Dustiest Vehicle of the Year. This goes to the 2013 Chevy Silverado that is an electrician's work truck. It narrowly beat out the farmer's Ford F-350. Fortunately, the carpet in this truck is good quality and the vacuum made quick work of much of the dust. But it also required me to brush and vacuum all the plastic trim. The work was worth it though, as the final result was fantastic. The award for the most satisfying detail of the year goes to the 2015 Honda Pilot. This vehicle was filthy both inside and out. There was food and candy all over the interior of the vehicle, which required some intense steam cleaning, but the final result was well worth it. What put this over the top for me was the emerald green paint that just sparkled in the sun. The farmer's Ford F-350 that was also in the running for the Dustiest Vehicle won 2 awards. The first was from you, the viewers, as the most satisfying video of the year. It barely edged out the Kia Spectra, but this truck also won another award as the most dangerous detail of the year. This vehicle was huge and was filled with dirt, manure, straw, but I found 2 open syringes in the truck, one in the door and another under the passenger seat. Now you might think this is what made the detail dangerous, but what was even more dangerous was I allowed my oldest daughter to help by doing some of the extractions. But what really put it over the top was I included some video of my wife pressure washing the concrete. Fortunately for me, she was fine with it. Now that I think of it, maybe they were the reason you voted it the most satisfying, and it wasn't because of me? It's not surprising to anyone the Kia Spectra was selected as the worst stained vehicle. The interior was completely filthy and full of garbage, but when I removed the front seats, it jumped to another level. This led to some great extractions that always seem to be a viewer favorite and are extremely satisfying to do. The next award is one that might not make a lot of sense just hearing it, but when you see how much food I took out of this Nissan Murano, you'll see why I just had to give this award. This vehicle was a 7-course meal. Pop-Tarts, fruit snacks, goldfish, Skittles, apples. It had every food category pretty much covered, but by the time I finished this 10-hour detail, the vehicle was back to looking like new. This next vehicle is another one that brought home 2 awards this year. The 1991 Toyota 4Runner that I did a couple of weeks ago had the most pet hair of any vehicle that I did this year. But it was also my most enjoyable detail. Now those two things might sound contradictory, but the quality of materials used in this vehicle was fantastic, which made the hair and stain removal go extremely well. The end result was truly memorable. The final award is for the best transformation of the year, and I don't think it'll come as any surprise that it goes to the Pontiac Vibe. When I first saw inside this vehicle, I was like, this vehicle really made me question if I was going to be able to make it look good again. But 14 hours of intense work later, and the end result was truly an incredible sight. Well, guys, that concludes the first annual Scrappers Detailing Year in Review Award Show. This year's been quite a roller coaster for me. If you'd have told me at the beginning of 2022 that I would have started a YouTube channel, I'd have said you're crazy. But it's been quite a process. It's been quite a journey. The first videos I put out back in, I think it was last February, March, the Kia, the first Corolla that I did, the quality of those videos, you look at that and I kind of go, ooh, that's not good video. And to what I've been putting out the last few videos, it's like a night and day difference from those videos last March to those videos I did here just a couple of weeks ago. It's all because of you, the viewers. Your comments, your likes, your support has really pushed me to get better as a detailer, to get better as a YouTuber. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Enjoy these outtakes, and until then, keep it clean. First ever, check. Welcome back to the channel. Today you'll see that the channel, each vehicle, how's it going? Welcome back to the videos as we push into 20, all of the above. Improved as a YouTube, your help,